occupation?
Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Mimi Azira binti Saman. I am 34 years old. My height is 163 centimeters. My weight is about 60 kilograms and I work as a police officer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul bin Sulaiman. I am 35 years old. My height is 178 cm. My weight is 60 kilograms and I work as a retail store manager.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz. I'm 28 years old. My height is 175 cm and I'm 59 kg in weight. I work as a marketing manager.
What do you understand about balanced diet?
For me, balanced diet is a diet that gives our body a certain nutrients that needed to our bodies, like a certain amounts of calories, proteins, minerals and vitamins.
Okay, what's a balanced diet? It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat milk and milk products. It includes a variety of protein foods such as seafood, meats and poultry, eggs, soy products, nuts and seeds. It is low in saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, salt and added sugar.
What I understand about balanced diet is a diet that consists all nutrients that is needed by our body to sustain and to go on with our daily life. So example is like all type of vitamins and protein, carbohydrate, calcium, all that stuff. That's what I understand about balanced diet, that our body needs all of these nutrients for us to live a life.
What is your daily diet starting from breakfast to dinner?
And for me, I everyday take my breakfast only a certain amount of carbohydrate like bread or grains, and for lunch I only take a small amount of rice, vegetables, fish or chicken or meat or seafood, and of course some amount of fruits every day. For dinner also like lunch, but I take dinner before 7 p.m. every day.
Usually my daily diet start with a bunch of carbohydrates. So usually I will eat rice or bread, and also with a cup of berokah for me to have all the vitamins that needed for my daily routine. Then during lunch I also take carbohydrate, rice, and with a bunch of protein like meat or chicken or anything for me, so that I can use the protein during my workout session in the evening. Then at night usually I just had light diet, just like a bread or anything. But if I have a night running, I will consume a carbohydrate like rice for me to have energy for me to run at night.
How do you maintain your health?
Okay, how I maintain my health is by exercise at least 20 minutes per day, for 3 times per week at least. And also I take a less amount of food that contain sugar and snacks. And also of course every day must make sure that I take 8 glass of mineral waters every day.
How I maintain my health? Firstly, I doing exercise twice a week, and then I take the supplement on a daily basis, and I drink a lot of plain water.
I manage to maintain my health by doing extra work if I consume too much fat or anything during my diet. Let's say if in the day I eat a lot of food that contains too much oil or anything, I will do more cardio workout for that day to balance my intake and also my work.